Carbohydrates. Most food that we eat contains some amount of carbohydrate. Carbohydrate is the nutrient that we consume daily in the maximum amount. These, therefore, make up the bulk of our diet. Carbohydrates are either naturally present, as in rice, wheat, fruits, potato, honey, etc., or added in the form of sugar to food such as ice cream, cold drinks, tea, coffee, and so on. There are some carbohydrates which are complex like a starch, which the body has to digest in order to use them. There are others which are simpler in nature like glucose, which can be used by the body directly. Sugar, which is so commonly used, is also an easily digestible carbohydrate. Functions: energy given action. Carbohydrates are the main source of energy. Each gram of carbohydrate gives 4 kilocalories of energy to the body, although fats and proteins also provide energy. The intake of carbohydrates is much greater, and so it is the most important source of energy to us. Fat utilizing action. Carbohydrate, when present in adequate amount in the diet, help in the proper utilization of fat in the body. Flavor enhancing action. Carbohydrate like sugar, honey, and jaggery gives flavor to the food, making it tasty and acceptable. Digestive action. There are some forms of carbohydrates called fiber or roughage which are not digested by the body and therefore do not provide any energy. Source: sugar, jaggery, and honey are pure carbohydrates. Cereals, pulses, roots, and tubers like potatoes, sweet potatoes, beetroot, and yam are very rich sources of carbohydrates. Fruit, especially bananas, mangoes, pineapples, and grapes, are also a good source of carbohydrates. Effects of deficiency. The effect of carbohydrate on the human body can be related to their deficiency or excess in diet. Lack of carbohydrate in the diet basically causes lack of energy. This leads to underweight, tiredness, and poor work efficiency. Excess of carbohydrates in diet. If our diet has excess carbohydrates, it is converted into fat and is stored in our body. Therefore, an increased intake of carbohydrates leads to overweight. This in turn can be one of the cause of other diseases like diabetes, high blood pressure, etc.